Are vegans healthy? Are vegetarians healthy? French fries and beer are vegan, so you tell me. But seriously, the easy part for most of my clients who go vegan or vegetarian is cutting out the meat. What they forgot to include is the micronutrients. Let's take a look at the 11 superfoods you should take every day if you're a vegan or a vegetarian or just anybody wanting to increase their health. I'm Drew Canoli, and I am obsessed with superfoods. I'm the weird dude that goes into Whole Foods and smells like patchouli. Today, I want to show you my 11 favorites that you can naturally get in less than 30 seconds a day, and you can take them while traveling, and they'll help you stay healthy and committed to maybe that weight loss or that fat burning regimen. Are you ready? I'm talking fast today, so try to keep up. First is chlorella. Now, chlorella is one of my favorite things. I like to call chlorella bella. Chlorella bella. And it's absolutely incredible. Astronauts take this stuff in space. It's loaded with chlorophyll, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. Gives you loads of energy. I just had 5 of these things. My energy's through the roof. Next up is moringa leaf. Separate studies have shown that moringa can lower blood sugar up to 29%, which is great news for the diabetic community. I know many people that are diabetic. You probably do too. Maybe you're even one of them. Third is spirulina. Got it right here. Spirulina has strong neuroprotective benefits, and it may actually help with Alzheimer's disease. Has 4 times the amount of antioxidants as blueberries on the ORAC field, right? Fourth is mint. Now, mint is antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-tumor, anti-allergenic, and antioxidant properties, but it is not anti-tasty. Now, that's not a word. I just made that up. But it is delicious. Fifth is matcha green tea right here. Matcha has L-theanine in it, which can help reduce stress, promote relaxation, and encourage mental clarity. I love a lot of mental clarity. Sixth is wheatgrass, okay? Did you know consuming just 1 ounce of wheatgrass is nutritionally equivalent to eating 2 pounds of greens? Who doesn't want more greens in their life? Green on the inside, clean on the inside. I mean, you should have known that. Seventh is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha sounds like a yogi, right? It's hard to spell. It's much easier to understand. Ashwagandha may help lower anxiety, keeping those stress levels in check, and it can also decrease depression. Eighth is turmeric. Turmeric, this little golden spice, is incredible. I love turmeric. Studies show that its golden spice is superior to Prozac in treating depression, which is pretty cool. Ninth is lemon. Lemon is one of the only citrus fruits on the planet that actually helps with phase 2 liver detoxification. 10th are beets. Much like the workout music, these beets boost stamina. A study showed that athletes who drink beetroot before working out could last 16% longer. Next up, monk fruit. Who needs sugar to spike up that insulin? Do something that doesn't have that in it. This exotic fruit, 170 times sweeter than sugar, but has 0 the calories. Somebody write that in the comments below. 0 the calories. Right here, monk fruit has medicinal benefits. Did you get all that? Good, because I've got some great news for you. You can actually get all these superfoods in one stop right here. When you click the link below this video, you can get Organifi green juice for less than 30 seconds a day, less than $2 a day. It's less expensive than any juice you can get with all the powerful medicinal benefits that we talked about of these 11 age-defining, skin-refining components that are right here. Check it out. It mixes so easy. I don't even really need to use the spoon to mix it. I mean, legitimately. Do you see how well this is mixing, my friend? It doesn't go to the bottom. It mixes with the water perfectly, and it makes it an easy drink. And it tastes absolutely incredible. So if you're looking to live a healthier, longer life, if you're looking for more energy, if you're looking for more vitality, more mental focus, then add in these 11 superfoods in your diet. I have this Organifi green juice, less than 30 seconds a day, no shopping, no chopping, really easy to clean up. It's all right here in this glass, which is pretty wild if you think about it. Try it for yourself today. Click the link below this video, get it right now, and move forward with transforming your life. I'm Drew Canoli. Cheers to you for a new decision, a new day, something that's going to be so powerful. You're going to look back a year from now, you're going to say, where was I without my Organifi green juice? Click below this video. I'm Drew Canoli. Remember, we're in this together, and I'll see you soon.